A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all to this session of science, and we are on to adaptations in plant. Children, you all know plants adapt themselves as per their need, as per the situation, as per the climate, so that they can survive, just like us. See, we have our body features very different from other animals, just to ensure that we all are surviving, we all are living happily. Same the plants do. Please follow me as I explain each and every line of this chapter. Plants grow almost everywhere in the world. They grow in both places, in land and in water. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants, and plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Look at the given pictures and write in which region they grow. See the first one, right? You can see this is a palm tree or a coconut tree. Let us enlarge it a little bit. Yeah, it's a palm tree. It grows on land at places, maybe some you will find rocky soil there. The second one is cactus, right? It grows on desert areas. The third one are lush green trees which grow on some mountains, some cold places. And the fourth is uh, lotus, which grows in water, right? So all the trees that you can see are growing in different kind of locations. Plant needs soil, land and water to grow. With the soil, land and other conditions in different plants are different, right? Therefore the plants found at different places are different. The natural surrounding in which a plant or an animal lives is called its habitat, right? Adaptations are special features that allow a plant or an animal to live in a particular place. For example, the habitat of a fish is water, and that of a cactus is the desert. Plants have been classified into two categories according to the adaptations. See, children, the first one, right? Let us see the first one, which is terrestrial plants. The word terrestrial means living on land. These plants depends on the type of soil and climate. These plants may further be divided into following subcategories. Plants in plain, a wide variety of plants. Now, plain means the place like Lucknow, it's a plain. You will not find rock hills here, rock here, or desert here, right? So, this is called plain areas. A wide variety of plants grow in plains. Plains have enough space for the plants to grow. Plants in plains have strong and woody stems with lots of leaves and branches. They mostly have flat and broad leaves, which help water vapor to evaporate and keep the tree cool when it is very hot. Some trees shed their leaves in the autumn season to protect themselves from the cold. See here, children, there are three types of trees which are very common in these areas. First is banyan tree. It is called commonly as bargad, right? We all have seen it. Then people tree. Yeah, you will find somewhere you will find them in temples also. Nowadays they are worshipped a lot. People trees. And the third one is mango, but of course, right? The pride of Lucknow, right? Mangoes, right? We all know it's very near to our houses also. Many of us have mango trees in our houses, right? Okay, see example: banyan, neem, mango, people, grass, teak tree. They are all found in plains. Now plants in hilly areas, such type of plants need very low temperature to grow. The climate is cold and dry on the hills. Their leaves do not lose much water as they have few stomata, right? They have needle like leaves which help in sliding the slow. See here the factor in the previous one in the plains, the factor was right, the leaves were flat to allow a lot of transpiration to occur. Here we are having pointed leaves to ensure that does not deposit anywhere, rather it slides, and to avoid water loss, because flatter the if the leaves are flat enough, then there will be lots of water loss will be there. These trees do not have flowers but have cones and are therefore called conifers, right? They have the flowers is in the form of cones. Now the example here is fir, pine, spruce, deodar, cedar, etc. Tree plants growing on such hill slope receive very heavy rainfall, right? Now there is an activity here. Take a potted cactus plant, cut its thorns with blade, leave it for a month and observe. The cactus plant still survives even in the absence of thorns, right? That shows that the process of photosynthesis in cactus plant takes place in stem and not in the thorn like leaves. They are the leaves of the cactus, right? So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did in making it. So until we meet again, it's a goodbye.